Microsoft Rewards, often still called Bing Rewards, lets you turn Bing searches and daily tasks into points that can be redeemed for gift cards once you hit the required threshold inside the dashboard. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to convert your points into gift cards, where to find the redemption section, and what usually slows people down when they try to cash out for the first time. The first thing to understand is that you don't withdraw money like a wallet app. Everything happens inside the Microsoft Rewards dashboard. Your points sit there until you choose a reward, and gift cards are just one of the available redemption options. To cash out, you start by signing into your Microsoft account and opening the Microsoft Rewards page. This is where your point balance is displayed along with available offers. Once you're there, you go to the redemption section, which lists options like Microsoft Store credit, Xbox gift cards, and sometimes third-party gift cards depending on your region. Each gift card has a specific point cost. When you select one, you confirm the redemption, and Microsoft processes it digitally. In most cases, the gift card code is delivered directly to your account or linked email, and you can use it immediately in the Microsoft ecosystem or wherever that gift card is accepted. One common mistake is trying to redeem too early. If your balance is low, you won't see many meaningful options. The system is designed so higher value gift cards only unlock when you've accumulated enough points. So it's better to let your balance build instead of cashing out small rewards constantly. Another thing to watch is region differences. Not every gift card option is available in every country, and the catalog can change depending on where your Microsoft account is registered. That's why some users see different redemption menus even when they have the same points. Once you've redeemed a gift card, it shows up in your order history. From there, you either copy the code or it automatically applies to your Microsoft account balance, depending on the type of reward you selected. To keep it simple, cashing out comes down to 3 steps. Open the rewards dashboard, pick a gift card from the redemption list, and confirm the exchange once you have enough points. If you want the process to feel smoother, focus on building your balance first instead of checking redemption options every day. That makes the cash out process faster and more satisfying when you finally do it. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of reward apps and side earning systems that actually pay out in real life.